Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text font style in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option already selected and select an edit drop down arrow and select text. Now click on this text box and hold text box now selected. Now click on this format option and this is text font style option. There are many kinds of text font style. You can add anyone, select and say this text font style now change. Again go another and say this. I'll decrease this font size also and say this. In this you can change a text font style. Yeah, and finally select home option or file option, select save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.